What's up my people, Chris Aqua here and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I post videos about making money both online and offline, and I teach people how to make money through cryptocurrency surveys and what have you. So if that is what you are in for, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing you a secret. So if before we go down, we need to take note of this particular token, this particular video where I taught people how to earn free Lazio fan token on the Binance Launchpad. And for those who took action, they really made some bucks from it. I know about people that made $1,000 just by following the steps I highlighted in this particular video right here with 1,600 views 3 weeks ago. So right now I'm having a particular opportunity just like this where you can earn a lot of money with your BNB. So if you look straight into this video, it shows you how you can stake your BNB on Binance to earn this Lazio token. So in today's particular video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to earn the Porto Fan Token by staking your BNB on Binance. Let's get into the video. So right here, this is my Binance app. I'm making this video tutorial using my Binance app. If you are using the desktop version, it's still okay, but I'm making use of my Binance app because 85% of those who use the internet use it on their phone. So let's get straight into the video. So this is my home page. So right here you can see this specific function. So all I need to do is to go to Launchpad. For you to be able to make some money from this, you need to have BNB. So if you don't have BNB, all you need to do is to purchase BNB. So you can buy BNB with your card. If you are from a region where you can purchase cryptocurrency with your card, and if you are not from a region where you can purchase cryptocurrency with your card, or probably cryptocurrency has been banned in your country, all you need to do is just to click on P2P trading. I made a video tutorial, an extensive video tutorial on how to trade peer-to-peer. I'm going to drop a link of the video in the description. So please ensure that you check the description of this video for the link. But before that, let me just take you through how to buy P2P, buy BNB on P2P. So I click on P2P trading. Right there, you can see at the top, you can see buy and you can see sell. Right here, you can see buy and you can see sell, and it's currently on buy because it is highlighted in white. If I click on sell, you can see the sell is highlighted in white. So right here you can see the types of cryptocurrencies that you can buy using the peer-to-peer platform. You can buy the USDT, the BTC, BUSD, BNB, and ETH. So for these video, you can just click on BNB right there, right here. Just click on BNB. So once you click on BNB, it's going to bring it to BNB. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click on buy. You would see buy at the top left, at the left corner right here. So you click on buy. Once you click on buy and it's on BNB, you see traders who are ready, merchants and traders who are ready to sell you their BNB for some cash. Now take notes, on this particular platform there are lots of scammers. So all you need to do to ensure that you filter out the scammers is to ensure that there is a high volume of trades right here, and the percentage of completion, the rate of completion is over 90%. Right here, this person right here has 100%. It's fine, but the person has 2 trades, so I might not really go for this person. This person right here has 1,750 trades within 30 days, and this person the person has 89%. Well, I might still not go with that person, but this is still the closest you can get. Okay, look at this person right here. Number 1, the person is verified. Right here. The person has completed 1,641 trades, and the person has 99.39 completion rate. So you can see that this particular person is a go ahead, and look at this, the person is verified. So you can just click on this. Once you click on the person's the person's profile, it's going to bring this page where you need to enter the amount you want to buy. I'm from Nigeria, and if I want to enter the amount of cryptocurrency I want to buy, I would need to input the number. Then you need to take note of the limits right here at the top. You can see the person's limit is 20,000 naira to 575,000 naira. So if you are buying something less of this, then most likely this person won't be selling to you. The system will automatically tell you that you need to buy more. Let me input 10,000 naira so you can see. You can see the minimum is 20,000 naira according to what the system says here. So all I need to do is to go back. Once I go back, I come down here to the filters function, and I enter the amount I want to buy. Let me click on the filter function. Then I enter, let's say 10,000 naira if that is what I want to buy. Then I click on bank transfer right there. Then I click on yes. So it's going to filter this page, and I'm going to see new traders, new merchants who are willing to sell within my price limit. So you can see this person right here is a good to go merchant, 1,803 trades and 98% completion rate. So once I click on this, I input the amount I want to buy by fiat. I can just put 10,000 naira. You can see the minimum is 10,000 naira. Then all I need to do is to click on buy with zero fee. Then if I want to use crypto, I can input the amount of BNB by clicking on crypto instead of fiat. So I click on crypto and I input the amount. Let's say I want to buy 3 BNB. You can see this person maximum quantity is 0.2 BNB. So let me say I want to buy 0.1 BNB. It's there. You can see the equivalent of the amount in your fiat currency. This works for different countries. It is going to display the amount in your particular country's fiat currency. So right here, 0.1 BNB is worth 34,475 naira. So you can see there's a timer up here that reads. So you need to quickly make your decision. You can see the timer up here. So if I refresh the price, the timer is going to start again, and I have to enter my BNB 0.1. So you can see. So once I do that, all I need to do is to read the agreement, the terms right here before I proceed. Terms right here. Then all I need to do is to click on buy. But I'm not planning on buying now. I already have my BNB. So I click on buy with zero fee. So once you buy with zero fee, they're going to bring this merchant's bank details. You need to send money to the person's bank account. Once the person receives it, he's going to release the coin. So once you click on buy with zero fee, the person's cryptocurrency is going to go to the escrow. There's an escrow. The merchant will not be able to use or transfer the coin until the transaction is done and it releases it to you. So that's how to use the peer-to-peer platform on Binance. That's a quick one. So once you have your BNB with you, it is going to be in your peer-to-peer wallet. So let me click on wallets down here. Once you've already bought if you bought your BNB with P2P, it's going to be in your peer-to-peer wallet. And where do you find your peer-to-peer wallet? You find it in the funding wallet right here. Find it in the funding wallet right here. So once you click on funding, you would see transfer. Once you click on funding, you see transfer. So you need to transfer the money from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So all you need to do is to click on transfer right here. Once you click on transfer right here, you can transfer the coins that you have. Right now I have 0.0049 USDT. So let me transfer that. So you can see transfer from funding to spot. You click on the currency, that's BNB that you just bought. You click on it here and you click on BTC and change it to BNB that you just bought. In my case, I have USDT. Let me just click on that. Then you can input the amount of BNB you want to buy, you want to transfer. Let me use maximum, that's USDT. Then click on confirm transfer. So once you confirm transfer, then you are good to go. You are good to go. You need to do is to come back to overview or spot wallet right here to check if the money is there. So let me click on spots. Let me refresh this. So you can see my USDT is there right here. So without much ado, let me just go back to the home page right here at the bottom left corner. Then all I need to do is to click on Launchpad. So if you are using the app, you see Launchpad right here. You click on Launchpad and it is going to load a page where you see a series of projects that has been completed and some projects that are to be executed in a very short while, and that's one of the projects I'm going to introduce to you on this particular video. So please guys, if you've been enjoying this so far, please give me some seconds, go down there and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. Now let's go straight into today's business. So right here you can see this particular token. This is the FC Porto Fan Token. You can see this is a Binance Fan Token for FC Porto on the Binance Smart Chain. And right now you can see the current funds that are being locked. It is here, right here. You can see the total funds raised and all the all-time unique participants in this fund. So you can see we are still in the preparation period, and the time left until the subscription starts is 10 days, 16 hours and 51 minutes. Now the sale price for this token is 1 to 1 USD. So 1 Porto is the same as 1 USD. So the token offered for this particular project, this Launchpad project, is 4 million Porto. So right here, let me click on view more so you can know more about this token. So as you can see, this is the particular video I made in about 3 weeks ago where 4 million Lazio token was shared. So please don't joke with this. I made some money from these. I know of other people who made thousands of dollars from this particular Launchpad. So if this works, this definitely works. So let me click on the let me click on the Porto Fan Token so we can see what it's all about. So right now you can see the single initial investment is 0.1 BNB, and you can see the token offered is 4 million tokens. So you need at least 0.1 BNB for you to enter this particular Launchpad. So you can quite quickly go get your BNB ready. So right now the BNB holding calculation period to participate, your daily average BNB holding across various accounts will be tallied. So right here you can see this. What this means is that you need to hold your BNB in your spot wallet for as long as you can. So every day, once you hold your BNB every day, they calculate your BNB daily for every day that you hold your BNB. So the this particular subscription is going to start in 10 days. So if I stake my BNB now, it's going to start counting now, and for the next 10 days, if I leave my BNB there, they are going to make a calculation and they are going to allocate some Porto Fan Token to me based on the amount of BNB I hold and for the number of days I hold them. So if you come here, you can check more about the detailed rules here. The video is already getting too long, so I don't want to make it longer than this. So if you don't have BNB, you can just click on buy BNB right here. You all know how I explained how to buy BNB. Then you can see get your BNB ready. The subscription period is on the 16th of 11/2021, 7 o'clock UTC, and you can see the calculation period will still be will be like 3 hours after then the final distribution will be 4 hours after then. So you can see more about the project right here. You can see more about the project, the tokenomics and the likes right here. So for you to do this, all you need to do is to hold your BNB. When it is time, you'll be able to commit your BNB. You will see it the same way right here. You can see details here. So the BNB that will be calculated will be the one in your spot wallet, future, savings account, sub account, vault, margin, and the like. Let me just close this. So when you hold your BNB, when you buy your BNB, you would see it's right here where you can commit your BNB. So guys, go and get your BNB ready for this, and don't forget the date. The date is very important. The subscription period right here, it is very important. The calculation period is also right here, very important, and the final token distribution is right there. These dates are very important. You need to be on the lookout. You need to be very active. You need to stay really active, and I'm very sure by the end of this subscription you would make a lot of profit. Now some people didn't quite make a lot in the last Lazio Fan Token subscription. Why? Let me explain this trick. You need to be very active. You need to stay active. You see, during this final token distribution and the listing of this particular token, the price of this token skyrockets. The price skyrockets. So for the Lazio Fan Token, the price skyrocketed. So people sold immediately. So once you have been allocated, don't plan on holding. You can decide to buy later and hold. But the thing you need to do is, once it is listed, immediately sell it, because it's going to come very low in a rapid way within seconds. If you don't get to sell immediately, then you might be losing out a lot. of money you can make from this. So try as much as possible to stay active, be online, and ensure that you have a good internet connection, so that by the time it's ready, it is listed, you're already on the page. Once it kickstarts, you are selling immediately at the maximum profit. So guys, that's the end of this video. You can watch the Lazio fan token video and try and see one or two things that you can learn from it. I hope you guys were able to learn one or two things from this, and I'm very sure that if you participate in this, you'll be earning more money for yourself. So guys, thank you very much. Please don't forget, if you have any questions for me, just drop them in the comment section below. If you have any suggestion, you can drop it also in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It helps our channel, it helps us grow, and don't forget to like and share this to your friend. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.